These are the images from the recording I did. I did at college. I thought overall, I thought the first day of recording went well. I mean, I managed to get the drums recorded for both tracks, um, which I think was good. I think that was definitely a longer process than I thought. My plan slightly fell apart, to be honest, partly because setting up took longer than I thought, and recording drums took a lot longer than I thought as well. So actually, I thought we could get quite a lot done, um, but we didn't get as much done. We got the drums done, and we got the bass partly done. So it means that tomorrow I will have to do a I'll have to knuckle down and try get a lot of recordings, and hopefully that I manage to get it all done. But these are the images from the drum recording. We've got there's the floor tom here with a AKG D1112. Got an Aston Origins mono room mic outside the booth, and then we've got a 57 on the snare and also on the tom as well. And then we have um, a mic which I've forgotten the name of right now, but we have it recording the bass drum, and then we've got the Neumann's KM 185s on as overheads. I think the setup was fairly easy to do. I had the mics, I could comfortably do it. I thought the drums sounded good. They sounded tight and together using this setup, and I'm definitely glad I practiced this setup before. I think I just remembered. I think this is a Shure Beta 52, possibly. I think I can't exactly remember off the top of my head. But anyway, I think the close miking gave a tight, clean sound with not a lot of bleed, and the room mic picked up the whole drum kit really nicely, and the overheads picked up the cymbals, the two crashes and the ride really well, and I thought that recording recording this way was a total success, and I would definitely do it again. And I'm very glad that I practiced this setup and did it before in advance, because I think that gave me a lot of knowledge on sort of what to do and what not to do and things. So I think that was definitely useful. I thought using Pro Tools today, I thought I actually used the program quite efficiently and managed to get the recordings done. I did have a few problems. Um, like I couldn't create a click track, so I just did some research online and found how to create a click track on Pro Tools. During the day, I did have a few problems. Right at the start, I couldn't turn the power on, but you had to turn it on at, there was the wall inside the room, but then there was a plug socket that you had to turn on outside the room as well, which I forgot about, but I managed to, after trying to figure out what it was, remember what I had to do, and then got that working. But I think today, while it didn't quite go my way because we didn't manage to record as much as I had hoped, um, I think that it still went well, and I think I can definitely still finish it, get a lot of recording done tomorrow. So I think that's good, and that's how the day. That's kind of how the day went.